kahuna I mua la kuʻuʻi nei. Da kahuna kneel down front the altar, no scared even if the thunder grumble. Flash the light from up above, down below. Hana-ia-ha-malama, oh Mai-uu, Nahinahi-ana. Rise up, Kanaloa, yeah, come fly with Kuhulu and all the keiki, Kāne, and all the Wahine who heal with one touch. The paʻi Ku-waa, the paʻi aloha, knock the hale, open the way. No let the pule fly wrong, no bring pilikia, no pain in the head, no nose run, only tears, tears for love, for aloha. Hey waimaka aloha, eh eh. Holo holo da pule holo, eh. Hey Ola Hoʻi, eh. Bring life back, yeah. Hey Ola Hoʻi, eh. Lohiʻau, come back to me. Come on up from the mountain, white from the spring. Life no power yet, still get everything. Hey Ola Hoʻi, eh. Go from Wahine-kapu down to Kīlauea's fire. I call all the akua. Hoaliʻi fly in, Ku-waa steer the way. Kuhulu bring the dream back today. All the gods of Hawaii come fast with Kanaloa, the one who guard kapu. Kui kui koli koli kahaula tu. Wrap him in kapa ula ula kapa ele hele kapa ahulo no makua. The lightning flash, the fire burn. The night go bright with the fire turn. Oka oi maka aka unela. Holo holo pule elele. Inspire me now. Kani hapole, kini oke akua, rise like the sea. Kāne, Kanaloa, come inside. I the healer, I will the guide, call the spirit, guide the breath. I chant the pule against the death. Aʻe-aʻulu and no Ku-waa. Eya kawai he wai ola, eh eh. Hear the sacred water, white of life.